Once upon a time, between tall mountains and a whispering sea, there lived a man named Robert. But not just any Robert. He was known far and wide as Robert the Sound Healer. People said he could calm the waves, talk to the wind, and even make the stars hum, all with the power of his music. Robert didn't play music to perform. He played to heal, to remind people who they really were deep inside. He called his music sounds of Pangea. What's Pangea? Well, a long time ago, all the continents on Earth were joined as one. Robert believed music could do the same. Bring everything back together. People, nature, hearts. So when he played his instruments, he imagined all of us living in one beautiful world again, not separated by fear or noise, but connected by the rhythm, feeling, and peace. Robert had a collection of magical instruments, didgeridoos that echoed like the earth's ancient breath, crystal bowls that sparkled like the starlight, drums that carried the wisdom of the forest, tuning forks that rang like moonlight in the sky. He would take them to the oceans, to mountains, to sacred forests, so they could breathe the world and play music with nature. One day, a little girl named Lily came to visit him with her grandmother Luna. Luna was wise and gentle. She had curly hair and eyes like moonlight. "I think Lily's heart needs a song," Luna said softly. "But she doesn't know how to find it." Robert smiled and kneeled down. "Sometimes," he said, "we forget our own music. But don't worry, the sounds of Pangea always remember." Then he placed a tiny drum in Lily's hands and began to play. The notes weren't loud or fast. They were kind. They swirled around her like butterflies, and slowly, Lily began to breathe deeper. Her shoulders relaxed. Her eyes sparkled. She didn't say a word, but she felt everything. Later, she asked, "How do you know what to play?" Robert tapped his heart. "I listen to what's not being said. I listen to the spaces between words. I listen to the dreams people forgot." That night, Luna tucked Lily into bed and whispered, My dear, the world needs sound healers like Robert, people who listen, people who care, people who play music that helps others feel whole again. And Lily smiled because for the first time in a long time, she felt whole too. From then on, Lily played her drum at home. Not to be perfect, not to be famous, just to help herself and others feel the music of their hearts. She even made up her own name for it, Little Sounds of Pangea, because Robert had taught her that music isn't just sounds. It's a way to bring the world back together, one note at a time, one breath at a time, one soul at a time. So if you ever feel lost or quiet inside, or unsure what to say, just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and listen. Your music is already there, waiting for you to remember. The end. Or maybe it's just the beginning. Good night, little one. Sleep well. With love. Sounds of Pangea, guided by Luna.